Hello again, and welcome to your latest personal finance bulletin from My Finances and me, Joanne McCabe. Cash-conscious consumers beware. Budget you might, but is it getting you anywhere? No is the answer for nearly 3/4 of people questioned by the insurance company Norwich Union. It found Brits spend 180 million hours a year shopping around for the best financial products. But 1 in 10 don't know how much they pay for gas, electric or council tax every month. 72% couldn't say what type of mortgage they have. And number crunchers, have your pencils at the ready. 53p in every pound the average person earns currently evaporates in the fog of such financial necessities. Ireland won't be the next country to watch its banking system slowly fall apart. That's what the Emerald Isles government is hoping anyway. It's decided to protect the savings of customers at the country's top 6 banks. They include the Bank of Ireland and the Anglo-Irish Bank. The share prices of the banks shot up this morning after the plans were revealed. We spoke too soon yesterday, by the sounds of it, just as buy-to-let investors were toasting each other's relatively easy ride through the credit crunch. It turns out Bradford and Bingley's collapse may have burst their bubble too. The lenders UCB, Bristol and West and the Mortgage Works withdrew their buy-to-let rates last night. The mortgage broker Mortgage Force says thousands of landlords face the imminent end of their introductory rates, and their rents are unlikely to cover the mortgage payments on their lenders' standard variable rates. Landlords within 3 months of a remortgage are advised to get onto their broker as soon as they can. Bradford and Bingley's mortgage customers have been accounted for, and so has everyone with a savings account there. But what if you have shares in the bank? Well, it looks like you might have to wait a little longer for compensation, if there's going to be any, that is. The UK Shareholders Association says a decision may not be made until the bank's mortgage book is closed. It reckons that process could take 20 years. In other B&B news, reports surfaced yesterday that a Tory party donor may have engaged in short-selling shares in the bank. The union GMB now wants authorities to launch an inquiry into possible market abuses and wrongdoing. It took the whole weekend for American politicians to agree on that multi-billion-dollar Wall Street bailout. But last night the country's lawmakers refused to give their shiny rescue plan the official go-ahead. Today the FTSE 100 dropped sharply because of the decision by Congress. The nationalisation of Bradford and Bingley had sent stocks plunging below the 5,000 mark yesterday, but the rescue bill's rejection sent the world markets crashing altogether. The US experienced its worst day since 1987. And that's your lot for today. We are holding out for some good news to bring you, so tune in to tomorrow's Personal Finance Bulletin on My Finances. It could be the one. I'm Joanne McCabe.